Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make the spur tooth. What do they call this one? Yeah, spur gear mechanism found in activity 4.1.4. In order to do this, you need to, of course, have the Bex IQ parts library open, and you have to insert the correct parts. I've already gone ahead and inserted those parts. To find the gears, you do need to go to, so the shafts, obviously, they're going to be the same shafts from the pulley mechanism. The beam is going to be the same beam from the pulley mechanism. And then these spur gears are going to be found in gears and turntables. I have a 12-tooth gear and a 60-tooth gear. And those are the gears that we're going to be using for this. So please go ahead and take the time to add those now. And we're going to get right into this. So this is very similar to the pulley drive. It says you're going to make a rigid joint, a fasten mate between the 12-tooth gear and the 4x pitch shaft. Then a revolute joint between the 4x pitch shaft and the end of the 1x8 beam. A rigid joint, a fasten mate between the spur gear and the other shaft. And then a revolute between the 4x pitch shaft. And then we're going to have to do some adjustments to make sure that these gears line up. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so we're good. All right. So first things first, and let's see, they tell us to put it on. Yeah, I think this is going to be exactly the same as the last one with the spacing and everything. Okay. So let's start by making our fasten mate. And we're going to fasten the center of this to the end of this. And we're going to offset it along the z-axis, negative 0.5 inches. And we'll hit check. And then we will make our revolute mate. And we're going to take this end and put it through, I believe, the second one from the end here. So we'll put it here, and then we will have to offset that 1 inch, I believe is what it told us last time. And that looks correct to me. And then we will do the same thing for our larger gear. So let me reset my field of view here. So through the center of this and the end of this. Offset that along the Z, negative 0.5 inches. Hit check, revolute. Gonna go to the back side of here, and I'm gonna put it through here and through the, I believe they do it through the fourth one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they do it from the fifth one. Okay. So fourth one from here, fifth from over here. Okay. So we'll put that there, and we will offset that 1 inch. And then we're good. Okay. Now, the trick here is to try to get these teeth to line up, because they're not. So when we click on this, we can offset the rotation angle, and they give us a hint here. It says, let's see, no more than 0.5 degrees at a time. So we're going to align this. Let's try it 0.5 and hit check, and that wasn't quite enough. And we'll do 1.5 because I think I need quite a bigger jump. Not quite big enough. And we could even rotate this one in a negative fashion, negative 0.5. Let's see if that gets us where we need to be. And we're almost there. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to, on Revolute 2, make this one negative 1. And there's still a very minor interference here. So Revolute 2 will make negative 1.5. And I don't think that we're going to get it quite perfect, but I think that will do. Okay, so basically what I did there, right? We had to make those micro adjustments, but those teeth look good. There is a minor interference. However, these teeth shape are also a little bit different. So that might be causing the problem. It's not a big deal. At the end of the day, what I did for Revolute 1, I changed its rotation angle to be 1.5 degrees. And Revolute 2, I changed its rotation angle to be negative 1.5 degrees. And when I animate this, what do I see? Let me change it to loop. I see that spins. Great. But the other one doesn't. Well, we had to do what we did the last time. We had to make a gear relation. Okay, so I'm going to take the gear relation. I'll take the Revolute 2. I'll take Revolute 1. My relation now, if you remember from the last video, was 4, because 10 goes into 44 times. But here I have 12 teeth and 60 teeth. My relation ratio needs to be 5. And let's just see what that gets us. Let's animate this. Whoops, come on now. Change it to loop. Animate. And that looks pretty good. Now, in the last one, we needed to reverse the direction because our pulleys need to spin in the same direction. They're attached by a belt. Gears, however, are different. Meshing gears that are mated together like this, the teeth, get put together. Those spin in opposite directions. So we're good here. We are good here. Okay? And everything is looking good. All right, cool. So the next one that we're going to do, a bit more challenging, is this worm gear. But don't you worry, we will get it done in my next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.